So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to save your video from draft. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account, and you should have to tap on profile icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on draft which is available on the left side of your screen. Now tap on your first video or any video you want to save. Then you can see this share icon on the top right corner of your screen, so tap on it. Then here you will see the option of download. Then tap on save post with watermark like this, and you can see the percentage of downloading the video or saving the video in your gallery. So wait until it gets full of 100%. So you can see save to album. So we can see either the video has been saved or not. So open your gallery. Now see, video has been successfully saved on your gallery, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.